Carbide burrs, those robust rotary tools forged from tungsten carbide, have become indispensable in automotive applications, where their precision and durability enable mechanics, engine builders, and performance enthusiasts to refine components for enhanced efficiency, power, and longevity. In the high-stakes world of engine modification, these burrs excel at tasks requiring meticulous material removal, from smoothing casting imperfections to sculpting intricate pathways that optimize fluid dynamics, all while withstanding the rigors of aluminum, steel, and composite materials common in modern vehicles. Their fluted designs, ranging from cylindrical for straight deburring to flame-shaped for contoured blending, allow for controlled grinding at speeds up to 25,000 RPM, minimizing heat buildup that could warp sensitive parts. This article delves into key applications, with a spotlight on engine porting for intake manifolds, exploring how burr selection and technique drive airflow improvements, particularly in aluminum cylinder heads, and narrating the tangible benefits through conceptual before and after illustrations that highlight transformative effects on performance. Engine porting stands as a premier application for carbide burrs, involving the reshaping of intake and exhaust ports to enhance volumetric efficiency, where the goal is to increase the engine's ability to draw in air-fuel mixture and expel gases, ultimately boosting horsepower and torque without altering displacement. In porting an intake manifold, typically cast from aluminum for its lightweight strength, the process begins with inspecting the AS cast ports for rough edges, flash lines, and obstructions left from molding, then using carbide burrs to enlarge and smooth these passages while preserving critical valve seat angles. For aluminum heads, which dominate performance builds due to their thermal conductivity and machinability, select burrs with double-cut flutes in smaller diameters, 1/4 to 3/8 inch, to navigate the curved port geometries without gouging the thin walls. A pointed tree-shaped burr proves ideal for accessing the valve throat, its tapered form allowing gradual widening from 1.5 inches at the runner entrance to 1.8 inches near the valve, promoting laminar flow over turbulent eddies. Airflow improvements stem from this refinement. Stock ports often feature irregular surfaces that create drag, restricting intake velocity to 200 to 250 feet per second. But porting with carbide burrs can smooth radii and blend bowl areas, elevating flow to 300 to 350 feet per second, as measured on a bench flow tester, resulting in 10 to 20% gains in cylinder filling efficiency. Narrating the benefits, envision a conceptual before and after illustration. On the left, a cross-section of a stock aluminum intake port shows jagged casting marks and sharp transitions, with animated air molecules bouncing chaotically like pinballs, visualized as red turbulent streams constricting to a narrow bottleneck, yielding sluggish engine response and power loss. On the right, post-porting with a carbide burr, the passage gleams smooth with radiused corners, blue laminar flows streaming unimpeded like a river, expanding volume and accelerating velocity, symbolizing a rev-happy engine that pulls harder across the RPM band. Beyond basic enlargement, advanced porting techniques with carbide burrs focus on strategic modifications like unshrouding valves and blending seats, where the tool's precision prevents valve guide damage, while optimizing swirl patterns for better combustion. For aluminum heads in high-performance setups, such as those on V8 engines, a ball-nosed burr, 1/2 inch head, is chosen for bowl blending, its spherical tip feathering material around the valve seat to increase curtain area by 15 to 20% without encroaching on quench zones, which could raise detonation risks. This selection matters because aluminum's softness, around 60 to 80 Rockwell B, demands finer cuts to avoid embedding particles that accelerate wear, and double-cut burrs excel here by shearing in cross directions for a polished finish that reduces boundary layer friction. The airflow payoff is multifaceted. Improved port velocity not only enhances low-end torque for street drivability, but also supports higher rev limits in racing applications, potentially adding 20 to 50 horsepower through better scavenging and reduced pumping losses. Conceptually illustrating the benefits, Picture a split-view diagram of a cylinder head port. Before porting, the valve area appears shrouded with rough ledges, airflow vectors depicted as fragmented arrows stalling against imperfections, leading to incomplete cylinder filling and inefficient burn, represented by a dim, sputtering flame icon. After, the unshrouded bowl flows seamlessly with the Burr's work evident in curved, mirror-like walls, arrows merging into a unified surge that feeds a bright, roaring flame, narrating the shift from a bogged-down daily driver to a responsive performer with crisper throttle response and cooler operating temperatures. Carbide burrs extend their utility in automotive applications beyond porting to exhaust manifold refinishing and gasket surface preparation, where their versatility shines in maintaining thermal integrity and sealing performance. In exhaust porting, similar to intake but focused on evacuation, a cylindrical burr with single-cut flutes, coarse for rapid stock removal, is preferred for steel or stainless manifolds, enlarging runners to match upgraded cams while avoiding thin-wall breaches. For aluminum exhausts in turbo setups, switch to finer diamond-cut burrs to polish without scratching, improving exhaust gas velocity for quicker spool-up. Benefits include reduced back pressure, which can lower exhaust gas temperatures by 50 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, extending turbo life and preventing heat soak into the engine bay. Narrate this with a conceptual illustration. Pre-porting, the exhaust path constricts with burrs and flash, hot gases visualized as erratic orange plumes billowing sluggishly, causing lag and elevated EGTS that strain components. Post-porting, the smooth channels, crimson flows in straight, accelerated bursts, cooling to amber as they exit, depicting a turbo that bites instantly with sustained boost, underscoring the burr's role in balancing power and reliability. In brake caliper refinishing and suspension component detailing, carbide burrs provide another layer of application, chamfering edges and deburring mating surfaces to ensure vibration-free assembly and corrosion resistance. For aluminum caliper bodies, a cone-shaped burr at 15,000 RPM chamfers bolt holes to prevent stress risers, while an oval burr blends piston grooves for smoother seals, reducing drag and improving stopping modulation. The narrated benefits highlight safety and maintenance. Before, rough caliper edges snag seals during installation, illustrated conceptually as jagged lines catching rubber icons, leading to leaks and fade under heat. After, the feathered contours allow fluid gliding, with smooth paths ensuring even pressure distribution, transforming braking from grabby to progressive, with extended pad life from minimized wear. Overall, carbide burrs in automotive work not only amplify performance through airflow mastery, but also enhance durability, making them a cornerstone for builders seeking that edge in efficiency and reliability, where each precise cut compounds into measurable gains on the dyno or road.